Now, for all of my beautiful people that have joined Jamaican Patwa 101, I will be teaching you as a part of Jamaican culture. I will be teaching you also about the foods of Jamaica and some of the things that we like to drink. So, one of the things that we like to drink is Sorrel. Please do not mind the Ray and Nephew buckle that it is in. Sorrel. Okay, I'm going to teach you what sorrel is. Now, this is what Jamaican sorrel look like. You may also know it as hibiscus in America, but in Jamaica, we call it sorrel. Yeah, sorrel. It grows on a lovely plant and can grow very tall. These flowers are what we use and we boil it down to get that deep, rich color. The seeds inside are actually in the shape of a heart. Such a beautiful thing, which shows you how it is good for the blood. Now, in Jamaica, we make sorrel during Christmas time and New Year's because it is traditionally celebrated during this time, and you will see a lot of farmers growing it around this time. Now, the recipe for making traditional Jamaican sorrel includes the sorrel flowers that you see here with some ginger, cloves, pimento, also known as allspice, and Ray and Nephew rum. Now you can make it without it, but trust me, it won't taste the same and feel the same. And if you don't have any traditional Jamaican Ray and Nephew rum, you can use Jamaican red label wine. Yeah? And full joy the festivities. Be careful. But guys, you see, if you let it ferment long enough, it will turn to wine and it will put you to sleep. So be careful, drink responsibly.